Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And late yesterday, there was a release of a new version of Google Chrome, Chrome 136. So if you go into Chrome, upper right corner, three vertical dots, and help and about Google Chrome, you will be pushed to version 136.0.7103.48 or 49. And this is the newest version of Google Chrome. What does it contain in new features? Really nothing much. It will mostly be for the new features. What we actually talked about with Chrome 136, there's a fix to a bug that's about 20 years old where your browsing history can be snooped on and scooped up by websites. And so this is fixed in this version. They actually fixed that problem to make sure that now no snooping can happen on your browsing history itself. Apart from that, it's mostly security fixes. And there are 8 security vulnerabilities in the Chrome browser that have been fixed. One is a buffer overflow in HTML, and there's a few fixes also in the DevTools. So that, of course, is the most important if you don't really care about new features or anything else. Although there really isn't much new feature in here to show. It's mostly you're getting more security. So a little more privacy with the snooping and more privacy in and more security in the fixes. There is one note about the Android version of Chrome when you update to 136. The Android version now will add a tool that actually scans APKs, which are the packages for Android apps. So when you download an APK through Chrome on an Android device, starting with this version, they will be scanned to make sure that they are safe. So this is kind of a little improvement to security within the Android environment. So for security updates, at least, go and check out to beyond Chrome version 136. Now available. That also means that our Edge browser and Chromium browsers will also have fixes and probably move on to a new version coming later this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.